building radio control model boats, and I got sick of building them. And a friend of mine was in model railroad, and so I started in one of the other rooms with a small railroad layout, and it caught fire. There's 3 rooms plus a furnace room, but the furnace room is also full of model railroad stuff. I think there's 11 13-foot parking tracks in there. Sitting in one of these chairs and letting everybody else run the trains, because when I started to do it, after I'd got going a little while, I decided I want to build a very large layout, and so that I can have people over to drive on it. And so at 70, I started building all of this. What you see now is about 10 years of those 20. I have not built anything in the way of new track in the last 5 years, and the first 5 years I spent in the far room, and it didn't fit what I wanted to accomplish. So we ripped it all apart, put it back together. Well, some of the favorite scenery is this one here, this valley, and a dock scenery in the other room.